the mathematicians have actually came up with a easier format, or very what I can say is less time consuming process, and that is using the coordinates. That is a general formula of finding area of triangle. So to find the area of the triangle, what we're gonna do is write directly the formula. Let us write the formula directly. Area of triangle is equal to, first there will half, because this formula actually came to being from finding area of parallelogram or other square quadrilaterals, and we needed that half to actually what I am trying to say is actually well, we need the half, because every quadrilateral can be divided into triangles. For example, a parallelogram can be divided into two triangles that are equal. So this half somehow came into being. I'm just labeling right now. So how we find find the area? So what we're gonna do is actually write the coordinates of the points or the vertices in a special way. That is x1 y1. That is this. I'm actually taking reference from this triangle. x1 y1. That is the coordinate of the vertex A. Then we write x2 y2, coordinate of the vertex B, and finally x3 y3, coordinate of the vertex C. And remember to actually write, we need also write the vertex x1 y1 again. This is the coordinate of the vertex, first vertex, again, because we will need it. So now, after writing the vertices in the coordinate of the vertices in this way, that is x1 y1, that you will write the x values on the top and y values on the bottom, and start with A, B, C, then again A. That is you have to write the first value, that is this value, once again after completing the final point, that is, let us say for in our case it is C. After writing the coordinates of the point C, that is in here, you again have to write the coordinates of the point A. Okay, so let us see why actually did it. So so now what we're going to do is actually take the half again, half, and the modulus again. Now we're going to make two sections. The first section will be by multiplying this one with this one. That is, we're going to start multiplying with this value and with this direct diagonal value. That is, in our case, if it is x1, it will be y2, and it should be in this direction first. In this direction. Okay. First, we are going to move in this direction. Then we are going to actually take these values also, but before that we are going to have to take these values in a diagonal way. So x2 will be multiplied with y3, x3 will be multiplied with y1. This is how we actually multiply them, and after multiplying them, what we are going to do is actually write this value. So x1 y2, so x1 into y2, and plus x2 into y3, this value into this value, x2 into y3, and then we got x3 into y1, x3 into y1. Now that we have completed diagonal multiplication in this way, that is in this direction, we are gonna start with this direction, that is in this direction. You're gonna start doing this in this direction. So, or you can also write it in this way, that you are actually multiplying the y coordinate of the first vertex with the x coordinate of the second vertex. So this way, and second coordinate of the y coordinate of the second vertex with the third coordinate. Third vertex says x coordinate. Similarly, you multiply the y coordinate of the third vertex with the first x coordinate of the first vertex. And when you are going to write this, the first thing you need to do is actually give a minus. Then you are going to start writing the formula. It will be y1 into x2 will be x2 y1, and then y2 into x3 will be plus x3 y2 plus x1 y3. Okay, so this is the actual way or easier way of finding the area of the triangle. It doesn't look that easy right now, but I can assure you that after doing it sometimes it's gonna be a second nature to you, and then you can easily actually find the what I'm trying to say, area of the triangles, or you can actually use this to actually find the area of any other quadrilateral also quite easily. So let us see if I have given any math here. So okay, this is a little bit complicated math. So we're gonna actually, since we have learned a new method right now, what I'm gonna do is actually solve the previous math again for you in the new method. So I'm gonna erase everything from here. Okay, so we got that. Let us say that the teacher didn't ask us to find the length of each side. We'll only have to find the area of the triangle, and the triangle was like this. So A -2 0, B 5 0, and C 1 4. So we got the coordinates of the vertices here. Now we need to actually directly find the area of the triangle. So for that we are going to first write area is equal to half. We're going to need that half. So we're going to write the half here. Half. Then first we're going to write the coordinate of the A vertex. So -2 0. So -2 here, 0 here, and then the B vertex 5 here, 0 here, and then the C vertex is 1 4. And then we are going to again repeat the coordinate of the A vertex, that is -2 and 0. So we are going to start with the diagonal values. So first write the half here. Then we are going to start by multiplying the x values, x coordinate value with this diagonal value, that is the value of the y coordinate of the second vertex. That is, in this way we are going to multiply the values and write them. So we got -2 into 0 will be 0. So -2 into 0 bracket plus 5 into 4 plus 1 into 0. Then we are gonna give a minus. And now we are gonna actually complete our multiplication in this way. So 0 into 5 will be there, 1 into 0, and 4 into -2. So we got 0 into 5 plus 1 into 0. We are multiplying in this way right now. So 0 into 5, 0 into 1, and 4 into -2. So plus 4 into -2. So the zeros will be 0, so it doesn't matter if I wrote them or not. So we got -2 into 0, it will be 0. 5 into 4 will be 20. So half 20, 20 and -4, 20 plus 0. So we don't need to write it. So 20 minus 0 and 0, and it will be 4 into -2. So 4 into -2 is -8. So we got half into 20 plus 8. So we got half into 28. So half into 28 and then it will be 14. So I actually have forgot to explain what these bars are. These bars are actually modular sign. So why you have used the modular sign? Because sometimes when you actually apply this method, the value within these bars, that is this bar, becomes negative, and we know that area of a triangle or area of anything cannot be negative. So we need a way to actually convert those negative values into a positive value. That is, for example, let us define in this value actually came half into minus 28. So are we going to actually write the area of the triangle is minus 14 square units? Actually not, because area can never be negative. So what we're going to do is actually the bar, that is the modulus bar, these two bars will actually help us to actually convert the negative value into positive value, and then we can easily get the area of the triangle in a recurved way. So that will be 14 unit square. So the value of the triangle, area of the triangle still remains positive, and we have actually used the very easy method to solve our problem without worrying about minus a lot. Okay, so this is the actual